The mysterious numbers of the Bible, divine codes and hidden patterns. 1. The number 7, perfection and completion. Creation. God created the world in 6 days and rested on the seventh. Genesis 2:2. Jericho. Israelites marched around Jericho 7 days with 7 priests blowing 7 trumpets. Joshua 6. Revelation. Book of Revelation mentions 7 churches, 7 seals, 7 trumpets, 7 bowls, 7 stars, 7 spirits of God. Forgiveness. Jesus tells Peter to forgive 70 times 7 times. Matthew 18:22. To the number 40, testing and trial flood. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights during Noah's flood. Genesis 7:12.
Moses fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, Exodus 34:28. Spent 40 days and nights on Mount Sinai, Exodus 24:18.
Wandered in the wilderness with Israel for 40 years. Jesus fasted for 40 days and nights in the wilderness, Matthew 4:2. 3. The number 12. Divine government and authority of tribes of Israel. 12 apostles of Jesus. Heavenly Jerusalem, Revelation 21. 12 gates, 12 angels, 12 foundations. Jesus fed 12 baskets of leftover food after the miracle, Matthew 14:20. 4. The number 3. Divine completeness, Trinity, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Jesus' resurrection, rose on the 3rd day. Jonah. In the belly of the fish for 3 days and 3 nights, Jesus prayed 3 times in Gethsemane before arrest. The number 10. Law and order, 10 commandments given to Moses, Exodus 20. 10 plagues of Egypt. Tithe is 1/10, 10% of earnings, Leviticus 27:30. The number 70, leadership and nation, 70 elders appointed by Moses, Numbers 11:16. Jesus sent out 70 disciples, Luke 10:1. 70 years of Babylonian captivity, Jeremiah 29:10. 70 nations descended from Noah, Genesis 10. 7. The number 666, imperfection and evil known as the number of the beast, Revelation 13:18. Symbolic of human failure, just short of the